Hey guys, it's Muthu once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop WhatsApp auto downloads and how to theme it. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So first, you need to download the GB WhatsApp app from the description. After you downloaded it, you need to go to the settings and enable the unknown sources in the security section. After you installed it, just open any group or any chat and click on media auto download, and then you will see enable custom media auto download. Just check it and then you can enable what you have to download automatically. So if you go back and click on privacy, you can hide the read status, play status, recording status, typing status or view status from the other chat. So now if I click on any chat and press on 3-dot menu button, here you can see lock chat option. You can enable the passcode within this app. So whenever you will open this chat, you have to enter the passcode. So again, I will go on the 3-dot menu button and click on go to first message. Here you will go on the first messages of this contact. So now on the main screen, you will see a Wi-Fi logo. This Wi-Fi logo means you can enable the do not disturb mode for the WhatsApp. If you enable the do not disturb mode, the internet will be disabled for this particular app. So this means you cannot send or receive any messages. As you can see, it shows that isn't connected to the internet. As you can see, you cannot send any messages. Just click the Wi-Fi logo again and the internet will be enabled. So now as you can see, the message has been sent. If you click on 3-dot menu buttons, you can see there are so many options like custom chats. If you click on custom chats and click on privacy, you can see to which chat you have made the privacy options. Here you can see message scheduler. This message scheduler help you to schedule a message to any contact of WhatsApp. Just select any contact and type the message. Set the date and the time. After setting the time, just click on schedule. That's it. So here you can see the GB WhatsApp settings. Just click on it. And here you can see so many options like updates, themes. If you click on download themes, there are so many themes that you can download and apply. So if you want my theme, just download it from the description called MKHacks theme. And just press the file, then click on OK. The app will be restarted and you will see everything goes black. The chat status and the calls. So this looks very nice. So here you can see the appearance option. You can customize the theme of this app by your choice. So if you click on media sharing option, you can extend the status quality mode to the higher quality or set the maximum size limit of the audio and the video. You can send the original picture size also. You can change the app font also. That's very nice. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I keep making content like this. I am Modit and I am signing out. Peace.